Okay, we are in global ASACs. We need to include two namespaces here using system.data.entity. The second one will be using our model DB context enrollment application dot models. So these are the two namespaces we need. And then in here, when the application starts, we want to say database dot set initializer new drop create database if model changes, and then you specify our DB context class, which would be enrollment application. That's it. Once we say this, okay, make sure that it's an object, right? So you need the parenthesis there in the end, and that's it. So um, this is the one line you need. If you're not using a seed database, you need this line. If you're using your seed, which is when I say the seed method, I mean the sample data.cs. There is a line like this in the sample data because it derives sample data. We put sample data here instead of this, and in the sample data we had called drop create database if model changes. Let's see. See, the sample data inherited from drop create database always in this situation. Okay, so that is why because we are not doing the sample data in this particular situation, we have decided to like manually add the data. You need this line. It is very similar to what we did in the music store application, just slightly different. Okay. So in this case, it's going to drop the database and create a new database for us. And when you create a new database, it is going to add the new field. But remember, if you want to like save the data, you need to add it to the bindings. So that won't happen automatically. You still have to make that change. But at this point, at least it will make it to the date. It will add a field to the database. I think we added a field called registration code or something like that. This guy will make it to the database now. See, this time we did not get an error. But all of our data is gone because we said drop the database. So it is creating a brand new database. And let's go and take a look at the Server Explorer. We are looking for a new field in the enrollment. See the registration code, that's the last field I added and that got added. If you don't want to lose your data every time, you definitely have to do the seed method. You know, like how we did the sample data, you want to create something like that for your student course, an enrollment, and then include that here in this solution, similar to how we did it in the MVC Music Store. That way you don't have to keep retyping data every time you drop your database. Okay? So I hope this video helps. Thank you.